Hey beautifuls, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hope. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, please do also hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know what it is. I love you. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my effective skin detox mask with simple ingredients. And if you'd like to see that, follow me while we jump right into the video. So the first thing we'll be needing is a mixing bowl and a spoon, or then if you have a spatula, you can go for that. And then the first ingredient, did I just say ingredient? Well, the first product we'll be needing for this mask is our scrub. So you can make use of any scrub of your choice, whichever one you have, but I've never used a salt scrub for this, so I don't recommend using a salt scrub, but any other store-bought scrub is perfectly fine. And if you don't have a scrub at your reach, you can make use of yogurt. For me, I'll be using my new face extra whitening apricot face and body scrub, because I'll be using this on my face and it is no max. It's actually a very mild scrub. That's why I like it. And it has a lot of oil. It's actually oil. It's super oil based. So, and I think I need all that oil and moisture on my skin right now. So that is why I'm making use of this particular product. So you can use any other one of your choice. Secondly, we'll be going in with our coffee. One of the benefits of coffee is its anti-inflammatory properties, which may help decrease the appearance of acne, hyperpigmentation, sunspots, redness, fine lines, and other skin conditions. So it cannot be escaped from this recipe because I need all that in this particular mask. Next is our citric acid. I need all that, all the vitamin C I can get. Yes, you can make use of any other citric acid, lemon, lime, whichever one that works for you. But I'm going in with oranges. Orange is rich in citric acid. It's a good source of natural vitamin C. It can help brighten the skin, keeping it hydrated, plump, and supple. It also helps in controlling acne. So for this, I'm using half oranges. Story time, guys. You won't believe what happened. I actually intended to use just two spoons of this orange juice, and I ended up using the whole half. Like, I was just, and I got carried away. So I wanted to make this scrub for only my face, but eventually I had to use it for the whole body. I had to add other ingredients, top up the ingredients. Okay, so next is our honey. Honey is an antioxidant. It is anti-inflammatory, which makes it good for treating various skin conditions. Isn't that amazing? And I'm sure that everybody, almost every homes have honey. So let me continue my gist that I was telling you people. That was how I now started. I intended to make this scrub for only my face. I now ended up making making more because I already added too much orange juice. I had to start topping other ingredient that I've added before. I had to make more of it. I had to put much more scrub than I did before, though I did that off camera, but I'm telling you guys because I'll be mixing now. But by the time I come back from this mixing,
it's gonna be abracadabra, and then you're going to see plant detox mask.
So mix this vigorously, making sure that there are no lumps in it. Like I said, my scrub actually has it's oil based, so I had to take my time to mix this properly. So let's go to application. So guys, our mask is ready, our detox mask, and I'll be applying it. You can see that my face even needs a lot of detoxification, even looking at it from the camera. Am I lying? So I'll be applying this to my face. Let it sit for 10 minutes before we go into the next step. And yo guys, I actually wanted to come back and show you guys what my skin looked like after this whole process, but I lost the rest of the clip. And
so you're going to forgive me for losing the rest of the clip.
But then I was already very tired. I couldn't continue shooting anymore because I'd already, you know what it is to have done all these things and then you are doing it, going all over again. I felt like crying, but then what can I do? But then I'm happy that the major part of this video is right here and you guys can see how I'm doing all of this, applying and everything. So next I'll be using my hand gloves, please make use of the ones that you use for your face, and then don't use the one you use for your body, because we're trying not to get our face irritated or inflamed. So, and I'll be working that through my face. See, this guys, this face, I'm the one that knows what is on this face. This face needs more than detoxification. I've not even done anything to my skin in the last 2 weeks. I've been exposed to sunlight, so my skin is dehydrated and suffering from a lot of moisture and stress. I don't sleep enough. I don't get enough sleep. So all these things put together has been affecting this skin. So I'm going to apply the rest like I told you guys. Since I made more than I needed, I'll be applying the rest all over my body, and I'll be doing that in the bathroom. I'm sure you don't want to come see me bathing. Anyways, I'll be doing that in the bathroom, and after that I'll be rinsing off. So please note that you have to allow the mask sit on your face for like 5 to 10 minutes before you begin to work your way around it with the sponge. So, and then another thing I would like to say is, please guys, let's not forget that whatever we're using on our body shouldn't go on our face. So if you're going to be using this scrub on your body, and then you're using a body scrub as your base, make sure that it doesn't get to your face. But then whatever you use on your face can be used all over your body. So you get the gist. Whenever you're using, if you're going to make this with a body scrub only, let it stay on your body, let it not go on your face. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed every bit of it. If you've watched up to this moment and you haven't hit the subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please smash the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up while I bring you banging videos. See you in my next one. Bye.